In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the "Who are you in love with" Instagram story trend. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is tap on the magnifying glass there in the bottom row. Then you want to search for the profile Astrida03. You can see it there. I will leave that account linked up in the description so you can just tap on it. So I'm going to tap on that profile, and then you can see over here it says add your sticker story highlight. I'm going to tap on that. And now we need to find the sticker. So I'm just going to scroll until I find this sticker. It should be I think around the 10th or the 12th sticker. So I'm just going to scroll. There it is. I'm going to tap on add yours. And now you can move this sticker around. So I'll just put it at the bottom. And then what you want to do is tap on the upload button right there to upload an image. So let me get rid of that. I'm going to upload an image. So you would select your image from your gallery, and then it will be in the background of the sticker. And then what you can do is just press the record button to record your story and then upload that to your Instagram story. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.